All right, welcome back to the Math Puzzle Crash Course. We've got a simple mixed operations problem with multiplication and addition. It's just a 1 plus 1 times 0 plus 1 equals what? Well, if you'd like to, you can pause the video, work this one out. We'll come back and work it out together and give you a little bit more information about the problem. All right, so first of all, I want to talk about order of operations. Hopefully everybody remembers that. It's fairly simple. The order of operations, you may be familiar with PEMDAS or BODMAS. There's different acronyms. We'll start out with PEMDAS, but basically it's parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division left to right, addition and subtraction finally in step 4. So even though it's a 6-letter acronym, PEMDAS, it's really only 4 steps. You go through those steps. If you don't have something, you just go on to the next step. That's where a lot of people fail in implementing the order of operations. So we don't have parentheses. We do not have exponents. We do have multiplication. So we need to solve the multiplication first. And the only multiplication is the 1 times 0. So 1 times 0 is 0, leaving us with 1 plus 0 plus 1 equals 2. So the correct answer to the problem is 2. You can check that on a scientific calculator. You can do that on a Windows calculator in scientific mode, your cell phone calculator, etc., and work that out. Cheap calculators, like a little dollar store calculator, a lot of times those cannot work in expression mode, and you will get an incorrect answer using one of those. On a computer, if you're using the standard mode on the calculator on your computer, you'll also get the wrong answer. So you want to switch that to scientific as I did here. So hopefully that's been helpful. Please consider liking, sharing, subscribing, and I look forward to seeing everyone in the next video.